Welcome to GoToDesigno. With GoToDesigno, you can turn your website traffic into sales with on-site messages. Instantly boost leads and grow revenue with our powerful conversion optimization software. GoToDesigno generates more leads, subscribers, conversions, and sales from your website traffic. It is so easy and simple, and just takes only a few minutes to set up. In this video, I will show you practically how to install Exit pop-ups on your website and how to create your first campaign. We will also learn how to see the analytics of your campaign, like how many people have been subscribed, converted, email addresses collected, survey results, and so on. A/B testing of any campaign is extremely important. I will also walk you through GoToDesigno A/B testing module, where you can compare two different campaigns to see which one works and which one does not. Alright, let's go ahead and start creating our first campaign with GoToDesigno's powerful Exit PopUp software. As a first step, please log into GoToDesigno.com. If you don't have an account, then you can simply create a free account. You can also log in with Facebook or Google. GoToDesigno also has an online graphic design tool. With the graphic design tool, you can create graphics for social media, blogs, ads, logos, flyers, infographics, and much more by using our pre-made templates. In this video, we will focus on the Exit PopUp software. So after logging in to GoToDesigno.com, please select Exit PopUp link. As you can see, there is no campaign created yet. So let's go ahead and create our first campaign. Choose the pop-up type for which you want to create the campaign. Here are different pop-up types that we have: Lightbox PopUp, Full Screen PopUp, Sidebar Form, Sticky Bar, Countdown Timer, Video, Survey, and Mobile. We have highly customizable pop-up templates for a range of campaigns. Whether you want to share video, increase subscribers, or highlight a new product, there's a stunning template for that. Let's go through some of our pop-up templates so that you will have an idea which template to choose. When you show a pop-up, visitors have to make a decision. There are no distractions because your web page content fades into the background. That's why Lightbox campaigns convert so well. Build a healthy email list of visitors who are genuinely interested in your products. When you offer an attractive incentive, your visitors will be happy to share their contact details with you. You can also show pop-ups based on visitors' interests by using behavioral automation rules, including on-site retargeting and cookie retargeting. This allows you to keep your visitors with more targeted offers. You can show different pop-up windows according to where your visitors came from by using our referrer detection feature. Before selecting a pop-up for your campaign, you can use our live preview functionality to see how it would look like as a pop-up in a browser. Based on the look and feel, you can make a decision which pop-up will work best for your needs. You can also make your pop-ups even more noticeable by using animated graphics in the pop-up. This will give users eye-catching effects, and there will be a high chance to get visitors' attention. Do you know there is a high percentage of the people who visit your website who will not come back once they leave? With GoToDesigno full screen pop-ups, you can get visitors' attention right away when they land on your website with a full screen message. There's no better way to grab visitors' attention than with a targeted call to action before they have a chance to get distracted and leave. Timing is everything when it comes to persuading people to sign up for your email list. Grab your visitors' attention at just the right moment by using Sidebar Forms. Monitor the behavior of every single visitor and trigger your on-site message exactly when they take a specific action. Sidebar Forms are perfect for showing a targeted message in the right place, at the right time, to the right audience. Our Sidebar Forms appear at the bottom right corner of the web page as the visitors scroll down. This is the best area to use, as most of the time, this area of the screen is left unused. These campaigns utilize the unused space to the far left or right of your website. They remain like sticky pop-ups and stay in place as a visitor scrolls down the page. Sticky bar is the horizontal bar at the top or bottom of the page and stay there as the visitor scrolls down the page. Sticky bar can be used for newsletter subscriptions, capturing customer feedback, privacy policy, quick announcements, or promotions. GoToDesigno also has a countdown timer as a campaign type. You choose the length of the timer in days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Countdowns are great for obtaining event-related registrations, including conferences or webinars, promoting seasonal offers, and creating a sense of urgency for limited-time special offers. Video marketing is a huge trend, and so are video pop-ups. They help you make your videos more visible and increase your video views. Video pop-ups can be used for product demos, video testimonials, and video tutorials. Do you know what your customers really want? What their needs are? These are the questions that many business owners keep asking themselves, and there's one way to know the answer for sure. Ask your customers. Get quality customer feedback with our pre-made survey templates. This will help you improve your business, build customer loyalty, and understand your visitors. You can use questionnaires, open-ended questions, and checkboxes or radio buttons. Design beautiful mobile pop-ups by simply dragging and dropping elements from our pre-made mobile pop-up templates. These are very light-weighted pop-ups specially designed for mobiles. By now, you will have an idea of our campaign types. So let's go ahead and create our first campaign. Simply select the campaign template you like and enter the website URL where you would like to display this campaign. Here you can customize the text based on your requirement. Change the font, color, and background of the pop-up. The pop-up template is fully customizable. You can change the font, size, color of the button easily. For branding purposes, upload your company logo by just clicking on Logo Image. Our pop-up tool is very intuitive and easy to customize. Do you want to give your user a second chance after they have closed the pop-up? If so, then you can use our tab feature designed for this purpose. A tab is a small triangular pop-up on the corners of the page with customized message. The tab can be displayed at 2 points, before the pop-up is displayed. This means show the tab first before showing the pop-up. Your visitors need to click on the tab to show the pop-up. Activate this option if you want your pop-up to be less disturbing. The other option is when the pop-up is closed. This option will give the visitor a second chance to see the pop-up again. You can highly customize the tab based on your branding or pop-up selection. Simply click on the tab and you will see all the customizing options on the left side of the screen. Here, you can change the style, position, size, content, background color or image, border, and shadow. Now, we are done with the basic design. So let's save our first campaign. After saving the campaign, let us explore the Settings section. Here, the campaign name can be changed, and you can set the campaign as active or inactive. The campaign will only show on your website as a pop-up when it's set as active. If you don't want to show the campaign right away, then you can schedule it as well. Simply provide the date and time, and the campaign will become active according to the date and time settings. The next section of the settings is at what time your pop-up will be displayed on your website. There are the following options. On load. This means the pop-up will be displayed as soon as your page is loaded. On Exit. This is a very effective way of displaying the pop-up. The pop-up will be displayed when the user is about to leave the website. After n number of pages, like show the pop-up after 3 pages. After scrolling, let's say 50% of the page. The last option is on some specific event like mouse click, mouse leave, and so on. The next section is where the pop-up will be displayed. Here you can specify if you want to show the pop-up on all pages or some specific pages of your website, like the product page or checkout page. In this section, you can set who will see the pop-up, whether you want to show it to all visitors or targeted visitors. You can show the pop-up by type of visitors, like all visitors, returning visitors only, or new visitors only. Another category is to show the pop-up to the visitors coming from specific URLs, like Facebook, Google, or any other website. This feature would be very helpful if you are running an ad on Facebook or Google and want to monitor the conversion. Let's say if you are not operating in any part of the world, then you can hide the pop-up from those countries. Same way, if you are operating in some specific countries, then you can show the pop-up only for those countries. If you have created mobile pop-ups, then you can show it only on mobile devices, like Android, iOS, Blackberries, or Windows phones. Instead of showing pop-ups every time to all users, use our delays and frequency feature to control it. Here, you can specify after how many seconds the pop-up will be displayed, show after every n number of minutes, hours, or days, or stop showing after n number of times. You can also apply some effects, like slide, fade, bounce, and so on. This is applicable to the pop-up how it will appear on the website. In the last section, the position can be configured. Here you will set where you would like to show the pop-up, like center of the page or on any corners. Now we are done with design and settings. Let's see how it will look like on the website by using the preview functionality. You can play with these settings and see the preview of the pop-up. To install GoToDesigno PopUp on your website, add this code to every page of your website just before the end body tag. You only need to include the code once per page. Just copy this code and go to the source of the page where you would like to install this pop-up, just before the end body tab. Insert this code and save the page. Yes, it is that easy. Now we have installed the code snippet on our website. Let's see practically how the pop-up will appear on our website, which we have just created. In our case, we've added the code on this website, so let's open it. Here you go. You can see the pop-up as soon as the page is loaded. Now, let's go and change the settings of the pop-up to show it on the exit. On this page, you can notice the mouse pointer. I'm going to exit the page by hitting the close button. You can notice that as soon as my mouse pointer moves up towards the close button, the pop-up will be displayed. The third option is to show the pop-up when specific percentage of the page is scrolled down. Here you can see the pop-up is displayed when we scroll down to the page. GoToDesigno has a powerful reporting engine. With our bird-eye view of all campaigns, you can get a graphical representation of your campaign over the time. Quickly compare total visitors versus conversion and see which campaign is working best for you. You can track the leads by going to the Leads section and see how your pop-up displays, how many people have been converted, which country the visitors belong to. The leads list can be filtered based on the campaign name and date range. The list can be downloaded as a CSV file by clicking on Export to CSV button. After that, it will be saved on your local drive, and you can upload the list in your email software for email campaigns. In the case of survey, all of your survey results will be displayed here in the Leads section. With A/B testing, test the performance of different buttons, styles, colors, texts, and more to get the best solution for your website. Learn what converts better and what not. So that's all we have for Exit PopUp Software. GoToDesigno also has an online graphic design tool for non-graphic designers. You can create graphics for social media, blogs, ads, logos, flyers, infographics, and much more. You can either buy Exit PopUp Software and graphic design tool alone, or buy a combo pack, which includes both Exit PopUp Software and the graphic design tool. So try us today at no cost and see how your business will benefit by using our amazing software.